we're getting ready to go in a car show, the Garrettsville Car Show. It should be kind of cool. So let's see how that goes.
And you love me. Our day will come. We'll have to wait a while. No tears for us. Think love and wear a smile. Our dreams have magic, 'cause we'll always stay.
Oh, now that one's awesome. Yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah, that's a cool car, ain't it? I see that.
Here's the one we were talking about. Oh, a swing?
Yes.
Oh yeah? I tried to buy one, but the guy was just a little too ridiculous on his price. Now my next one.
Oh.
There's no.
It's a dart, baby.
Hey, Mom, praying more down there.
No, this way.
That thing says for sale. Stop. Oh, look how many awards this
Look at this one.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, there it goes.
Look how many.
There goes one, baby.
Look how many awards this car.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look how many awards. Oh, look, you got it for Christmas. Ooh, this is one on. This is a. You not touch.
Don't touch. They don't want you touching anything. I prefer you stayed over here.
It's a cobra.
He looks just like him, but more brown. Eva's got more black. And he's got more brown.
There's your color.
Vanya, do not touch it.
Wow, purple was loose and it was sharp.
Your grandpa had
This is the kind of car my uncle had.
Chevrolet. Yeah, wait there. Oh, it's 130 zero. 130. Oh,
Look at that blue, would you? Yeah.
Mom, look. Oh. Wow.
I didn't realize there's so many cars down here. I made one pass already. I gotta make another pass now. When I pulled in, we were the last car here.
Mommy, I would take you to look at that. Friend, that's purple.
Look at the eyes.
Oh, look, baby.
Bassett Salon and Spa, 5230.
Hold on.
0330. So that's why we do this raffle, because we do all this entertainment for you for free. So for a little bit of 50 cents a ticket or whatever it is, you get to help us out. So that's how we get this wonderful entertainment. We got two Johns here that giving us this wonderful entertainment, and they bring their instruments with them, and we pay them $8 a piece, and so we got to get that money in here.
OMG. Mustang GT. Yeah.
All right, this is now the next prize is from the Bay Window, which is a flower and gift shop, also on Wyndham Street, by the veterinary clinic. 0157. That's just east of town here, but still in town.
That is so
again on Wyndham
cool.
Street.
Oh my gosh.
A roadside emergency kit.
Oh.
A roadside emergency kit. So there's the lady that won the flowers. Okay, thank you. And you'll save that for your ticket for the money too. Not money one. Okay. All right. And the ticket for this roadside emergency kit looks like it includes a bunch of tools and an emergency sign and a jumper cable.
Oh, it's before and after pictures.
0158. 0158. The Lord takes that job seriously.
Look at that.
Wow, that's right. Oh, fabulous.
There was a car show.
You stay close.
Okay, from Kepich Ford here in town, a gift card, a special gift card, and a T-shirt
See the dog?
with the Ford emblem on it here. So, yeah. So, what do we have here? 0834. 0834. And how many did we have? That we have to hang up on the board here? Oh, okay. All right, so we have two tickets that are stuck on the board there on the wall, so you can check that when you come up. Hey, I thought those guys were going to help me. They missed out.
You know what I tell everybody? I don't encourage anyone. I just ask for your protection.
Mom. Mommy.
Look at the dogs, baby. Look at the
dog.
Do not touch.
Buster. Can you take a picture of him?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I drove around, didn't see any sign that said anything about car show or peak and ice cream things.
Look at the collar.
Oh, you went.
You were drawing guns. What has to leave?
Do not touch it.
Mommy, look at this.
I'm enjoying this one.
Oh, dang. Mommy, look at this. The lambs on the side. A yellow car,
Look at there.
Over here.
Exhaust right underneath that, baby. That's so awesome.
Mustang. Not going that night. Look at that. GT4ML. Me. None of these cars are these except for red, that black one. That black one.
You could really get going.
Get out of there, please.
None of these cars are these. First. Beast.
It was right here.
Yeah, mine's just cool.
Mine was squeaking, so I needed to.
You can take a picture easy with that stuff.
Don't touch it. Come on. I'm done. My phone's mostly with the car. Yeah, like that tree that's in the driveway. My phone is about to die, literally. See it.
Like that blonde.
There's a bunch of shit else.
You could take a video. I'm done with the... No. You should take a picture of me.
You
Oh, you're right. You're right.
got to be with your baby.
I'm getting about the orange. Go on, get over by the orange.
No, you're fine.
41. You are right.
This is
We have here a Ford.
since we've been together. Loving you forever. What I need. Let me be the one
Baby.
you come running to. And I'll never be half as good a thing. You got it, Johnny.
Oh, man, look. Check it out.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the car show. There were some pretty nice cars there. At least I thought. Sorry, excuse me. But yeah, we came home, cooked dinner, had dinner. Now she's putting the kids to bed. And yeah, pretty good day. We had a good time. Also did some other things, but you'll see that in another video. We got book bags for the school, for the kids. The book bags came with school supplies like notebooks and crayons and stuff like that. So it was pretty sweet. It cut down on what we needed to buy. And yeah, other than that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want it notified, make sure you hit that bell so when you know you can watch the videos when we upload them. I'm eventually going to do a video upload on a certain day. I'm going to get to that point, and that way every day you can pretty much expect a video. But yeah, until then, we definitely upload every week. Also, down below in the description box, we have a P.O. box. So you can send us letters, you can write us, we'll read them, we'll write you back. We also have stickers for our channel, which if you write us, we will definitely send you back a sticker with a reply to your letter. If you want to send us something for a challenge, you can send that to our P.O. box as well. And yeah, we'll more than gladly go ahead and do the challenge. So anything that you want to send us, we'll be more than gladly able to do that. So just go ahead. Here's our address down below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to get this edited and ready for your viewing. So we will see you next week. I hope you have a great week, and we love you guys, and talk to you later. Bye guys.